Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Google Form. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your browser. Here you'll find 9 dots, where you'll see different Google apps. Press on this. Now here you can see different types of Google apps. Now scroll down. Here you can see Form, which is purple color. You have to press on this. Now here you'll find different types of forms. You can choose one of them which you need. If you want to create a new one, then you have to select this blank option. Now press on this blank. Now here you can see 3 options: questions, responses and settings. First you have to select questions. Now give a name of your form. From here you can select bold, italic, any of them which you want. I'm selecting bold here. Here you can give a description. You can give here any types of description which you need. I'm selecting here date and also time. Now here you can set bold or italic. Now here you can see the option of question. You have to press on this. Now select your question. From here you can select multiple choice, short answers, paragraph, whatever you need. Here I am selecting short answer. Now you have to turn off this record button. If you want to add another question, then you have to place this plus button. Now select your question. I'm here selecting short answer. And turn on the record button. I'm adding another question. Selecting short answer. And pressing the record button. Here I want a multiple choice. You can add another option. And press the record button. From here, you can see the responses. You just have to turn on this button. Now in this option, make this a quiz. You just have to turn on this button. Now if you want to change the theme, you have to press here. Now select choose image. From here you can select any of them which you like. I'm selecting this one and press insert. Here it is. And if you want to send this, press on the send button. Give the email address of the person whom you want to send it and press on send. Or you can also select your URL, make it short, copy this URL and paste it to the person. That's it. So this is how you can create a Google Form in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.